Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I am from Peabody, Massachusetts, which is about 20 minutes north of Boston, for those who aren't familiar with the area. I've been a nurse for about 10 and a half years now, which is so crazy for me to even think about. Most of my experience is in critical care. I have also been working in home hospice since last February, which I have found to be my true passion. I think working in an ICU setting for so long and also during COVID has really pushed me to want to have patients die with dignity and provide the utmost comfort that I can for my patients. And I have found that this area is the most rewarding. So when I initially enrolled into the NP program here, I was on the FNP track. And then once I started working in hospice and realized I wanted to stay in hospice, I knew that I didn't want to do pediatrics and hospice. So I ended up switching to adult geriatric last year. My dream job upon graduating would probably be to work in a hospice house. I think that would be a good balance between advancing in my career, increasing my responsibility and authority, while also being able to maintain the close relationships with patients and families at the bedside that I have right now. One question that I hope to answer with this class is essentially differentiating between billing and coding for a nurse practitioner visit versus a physician visit. I feel like I've seen mixed things on that topic. I don't know if it varies state to state, but I would definitely be interested in learning more about that. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with all of you.